What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to Parker's Garage. I just wanted to show you guys that I kept the Pro Beam taillight off my Sportster and decided to put it on here. And then I got smoke tail lenses too. Well, smoke lenses period, all the way around. Luckily it already had LEDs in there. The front's got the halo. But definitely happy. Loving the taillight. You know, love Pro Beam's products. That taillight is the best looking one by far. But the real reason that I'm making this is for these right here. These are the soyavision LED headlights off of Amazon. As you can see, they're really reflective, and I'm trying to do my best here to get you a shot. But so far so good. I'm really happy with them. They perform really, really well at nighttime. They're leaps and bounds better than the OEM headlights, hands down. Don't even compare. You know, I've only ridden with them one time so far, so I can't really say yet as to how much I like them or how really well they are, or durable. You know, this is more like a initial thoughts and impressions, you could say. But on a side note, I didn't have any issue with fitment whatsoever. They went in pretty cut and dry. You know, the only issue that I did end up having is they give you a connector, and on the connector, the high and the low beam was backwards from the factory. And what I mean by that is I had to flip the switch to high for the low beam, flip the switch to low for the high beam. So I had to basically take the two wires out of the plug, swap them around to make it right. As a result, I ended up getting money back from Amazon because these things are advertised as plug and play, and I shouldn't have to modify or do anything to these being plug and play. So they took care of me, as they always do. Amazon's pretty awesome in that regard. But I do like them. They are pretty awesome headlights, and I'll give a much better review once I have actually used them more than one time, as well as see how durable they are. You know, I mean, who knows how long these things will last. We're going to find out, that's for sure. But love the LED turn signals. Those are pretty sweet, man. Especially now with the smoked lenses. Before they had the amber, and that just looked terrible. You know, those amber lenses are just disgusting. Harley just needs to just throw them things all in the trash. For sure. But I just wanted to give everybody a heads up on these headlights, let them know how they are. But I guess that's it for now. I'll let everybody get back to their holiday weekend. But you guys take care. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.